forged ahead, using their helipack's enhanced jump capability.
I can't even jump on these boxes. Oh, I'm supposed to like hold it. Smack!
For now, long jumps would have only been possible for heroes like myself. Fortunately, Clank's new helipack helped them come
I
closer
forgot
to my
Captain
level of
Quark
greatness.
is narrating. I forgot he was narrating. He was like himself. I've never seen this dude fight
found
anybody.
themselves at a perilous drop. Would their new helipack
Ah!
help them glide to safety?
I almost fell off the whole cliff. Because I wasn't properly trained on how to use robot propellers. I'm taking this up with your manager. You're gonna hear from me. Your dog should be on a leash.
We are not far from the train station.
Oh, that dog's dead. It's just a guy waiting at the top of that elevator with a chainsaw. Is that dog waiting for me to go up there? Where'd he go? Jumped off. Hey losers! It's me! Ratchet! Ah! Doing all that shooting, you ain't never hit nobody. Oh my god, okay, bro, I was just playing, bro,
Oh boy.
Bro, I was just playing! Chill, bro! Why you being like that, folks? Huh? Hiya! Hiya! I gotta strike fast with that thing. I can't even hit these dudes in my Ratchet, bro. They're not giving me enough time to think. He was shooting before I even showed up. Back up, Goddard! That's the real Goddard. Get out of here! Yeah, get off that cliff. Bruh, stop freaking fucking playing around! Come on! They was almost there, bruh. Almost turned me into Swiss cheese. I finally get that reference. Swiss cheese has a bunch of holes in it. You know? So when somebody's turning you into Swiss cheese, you're like, shoot. Don't you just love that? I was talking with somebody the other day, and there's a term that older people use when women wear like small pants, and it's like, why are you wearing them pants? It's making your booty hang at the bottom of your shorts or whatever. And it's like, yo, I've never seen that before until the other day. Like this woman, she was an older woman, but boy, that ass was hanging out of them pants. I was
mercenaries.
Old
We
people be
apologize
saying,
for this inconvenience.
old people be saying the right phrases. You know, you just gotta live long enough to finally understand what they mean. That's the trick. That was a different time, you know. Boy, if you don't split, dang, he got a mean uppercut. I'm playing Ratchet Clank. He playing Mortal Kombat. You know what I'm saying? Ugh, y'all scraping over there. Bro, I am always on like the last reach of health. These dudes ain't no joke. Here recently, I've just been on the last little 4 or 3 little bit of health left over. I gotta check everything, make sure.
Attention, all passengers. Due to the recent invasion, all trains may be swarming with armed blonde mercenaries. We apologize for...
There it is. Come on, let's hitch a ride.
I'm after you!
Have a wrong that needs to be
Hiya!
Attention, travelers. Grab train. Please stand clear. The A train is now departing Hall of Heroes.
Oh, am I here? I thought I had to jump across it. What kind of train is this?
Come on,
Those
Clank.
dudes are
Let's make
huge.
sure that doesn't happen.
This is crazy. That's gonna fall on somebody's house. Ah! Oh! Wow, that is really lucky. Not that you're gonna hurt me anyway. Tough. Over the edge. You're not gonna take me. Oh man. That wasn't even a fight.
I hope that didn't cost too much.
Yeah, let this dude out. Look how big this fish is.
I'm sure there's a very good reason for transporting killer fish.
And look, they're trying to get to the little ones. This thing is huge. And giant tentacles.
Whoa, live animals on board.
Ah! Squidward, no! Squidward, why? You bastard. Oh, that was just very unlucky. Oh! Dang. What was he saying before he fell off? He was gonna survive this time? Oh, those are spaceships. He just threw him off the
I
build,
hope that
threw him off
didn't
the
cost too
train.
much. I'm sure there's a very good reason for transporting killer fish.
Somebody's gonna have that thing living.
Whoa, live animals on board.
You bastard! Ah, how do you like it? Huh? How do you like it? Oh. I'll leave him alive so he can be fired for letting me get away. No, 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 not you. You're making me miss. Whoa, man!
Guard reinforcements.
Another? Then I'm out of grenades. Of course I am. You aren't gonna take me this way!
Those bombs appear to be proximity triggered. They will detonate on arriving at the Hall of Heroes. I see. Then it's time for an early drop-off.
Forget him. I'm gonna just let him shoot at me. Just look at him. Can't stop me, idiot.
Rax, come in. We're arriving at the Hall of Heroes.
Copy that, Ratchet. I'll meet you at the front entrance and we'll begin your training.
We've been cleared to attack Drek Industries in 3 days.
I gotta watch this movie.
That means you two are getting the accelerated course.
Ha! That's right, lives at home 472. What's the matter? Don't like getting your butt kicked.
Hey, Alaris.
Hi, Rax.
Alaris here is in charge of developing our gear and providing tactical support.
Usually it's the former. The Rangers are the shoot first, think later type. I'm sorry, I didn't mean it to sound like that.
Like what now?
Come on, I'll show you around.
Let's go, Cadet. Time to make you a Ranger.
I'll see you in a bit.
We're gonna have so much fun.
Your protosuit is the most advanced combat armor on the market. And it comes in all the latest fall colors.
Sweet. This is awesome. So what next? Halo jump into enemy territory? Suborbital combat training?
In time, rookie. Next up is basic training. The captain designed this fitness course to help us reach our top physical condition. Good luck.
Oh, look at Clank running all up.
Greetings, cadets, and welcome to the Captain Course Fitness. Watch it. I'm Galactic Ranger property.
Oh. What's the point of even having this? He's already done all of this stuff before. It's not timed or nothing.
Congratulations on reaching the summit of justice. Your quadriceps must be burning with righteousness and pain.
This is more like a refresher course for Ratchet. You know, he's been doing it the whole time.
It's time to ascend to the Tower of Power. They must leap from platform to platform, but tread lightly. These pieces will move to one position, and then, without so much as a warning, shift to an entirely different position.
Hey! See, Clank is not helping me at all. Made it worse. I was doing fine without him. Should have stayed with that girl. Nope, no, no. Alright, Clank, it's up to you. I know I shouldn't rely on you. Clank, good shit! Oh, man. Now, this is challenging. I can see how this would be difficult.
Congratulations, you conquered the Tower of Power. Head to the main platform to claim your prize, Ranger.
Easiest chicken.
The last cadet that got this far went on to become nothing. But the guy before that, oh yeah.
Jeez, dude.
Of course, isn't very good at training.
Whoa! Almost fail at the very end.
My training course. Aren't you just full of stuff you can do? Meet me outside the Hall of Heroes. I have an assignment for you.
I thought that was him. Just a little robot. Little robot. Give me that robot. Oh, he's standing next. Oh, is that my ship? Even though they blew mine up. Wow. Kind of worked out in the end, though.
Our heroes paused and gazed upon the mighty statue.
If I ever get a mansion, I'm not gonna say that actually. I don't know what I would get a statue of.
One of us. I thought it was time to get you a new ride.
Whoa. A Class G Star Jumper? Is this for me?
Technically, it's Galactic Ranger property, but if you survive, complete this super secret yet completely on the level mission, she'll be yours to use however you like.
What is this secret mission?
I call it Operation Falling Star.
Here we go with these fucking robots again.
You've been selected for Operation Falling Star. Galactic Ranger Intel tells us Chairman Drek has a state-of-the-art weapons lab in Nebula G-34. Your mission is to destroy his top-secret project without, and this is important, telling anyone. Ever. Seriously, this is our little secret.
Sure, but I don't see why...
Please save your questions until the end of the presentation. You'll need to access Drek's laboratory using a trespasser, your wits, and the kind of fortitude normally found in more seasoned Rangers. Get in, destroy whatever he's working on, and get out. I'll monitor your position from here. Good luck.
I wish I could be there to see you off, but I have an urgent appointment with my acupuncturist. Call me when you arrive at Nebula G-34. Putting on you, Ratchet.
These dudes are so trash, bro. How y'all got a whole squad of Galactic Rangers, but you don't never send nobody out to do nothing? You didn't save the mayor. You didn't fight off the people in your own town. Like, come on, bro. What are you here for? What do you guys even do? Sit around and play video games? Shit. I mean, I'm playing video games, but I don't have a fucking spaceship, you know? Jeez.
Whoa, you're swimming in bulk.
Captain, come in. Clank and I are in position and ready to commence Operation Falling Star.
Copy that. You're clear to move in. I'll monitor your position from here.
I don't know if I should start buying stuff now or not. 28? I should have like a million.
Could use an upgrade.
Oh, I'm gonna get these two. You know what? Nah, I'm not upgrading nothing. I feel like I should have more.
The door was locked, leaving our heroes stranded up a very particular creek without a paddle. If only they had a trespasser.
More shit. I thought I had a trespasser. Didn't he just say you get a trespasser in your wits? Oh, you have to buy it?
My sensors have picked up one of Drek's prototypes outside this airlock.
What is this?
Be careful out there, pal.
What is this? Big hand attack. Bro, Clank needs to be running beside me. Not on my back. Don't let me do this by myself. Pow! Pow! Ow. What is this? Bro, use the propeller. What the heck? I'm tired of y'all bapping it up around here.
What is that? How fortuitous. It is a Gadgetbot upgrade chip.
A Gadgetbot upgrade chip.
My upgrade should allow me to reprogram these Gadgetbots.
Oh, sweet.
How you doing out there, Clank?
I just picked up a new gadget.
Oh man, what'd you get? You know you have to share whatever you found.
I think I will save these for me. Thank you. But there is still a prototype device nearby. I will collect it for you.
Oh,
So I guess
fine.
this is how you get the trespasser. So I gotta send him to go get it. Whoopsh! Whoopsh!
That was impressive.
Whoopsh! What push? GP, that's impressive. Hey, buddy. How you doing? Ain't you just the cutest little cute? You so small you could fit in my hand. Do your damn job, boy. Do your job, boy. Oh, look at him. Tiny little ball. Oh, no.
Quite the puzzle.
You know, it's not really that much of a puzzle. I mean, if you just use your... You have a propeller. Why can't you use that? You know? I don't want to keep circling back to this. I'm just saying. Come on. Make it easy. Come on over here. Stop dancing. That is not what I gave you this power to do. Alright? To be real though, the way they set this one room up is pretty smart. You know, you gotta have 2 of these bots here, but you can only use it if you have 2 of them. Like, what are the odds that an invader would come in here and be able to switch out the bot's power?
Ah, there they are.
What the heck? That's not what we need. This isn't helping anybody.
Come in, Ratchet. I just located a pair of Magna boots. Returning to your position now.
Awesome.
Yippity,
I always wanted a pair of
yippoo.
Magna boots. Good work, pal. See you in a bit.
Yippity, yippoo, yippoo, yippity.
Too puny to wear the Magna boots himself, Blank returned them to Ratchet.
Found the top secret
Ratchet,
guard
what's your
research
status
project.
on Operation Falling Star?
We got a little distracted. We're on it.
So I guess I do have to.
I got all kinds of stuff to make heroes more heroic. Take a look.
Bruh, where's the trespasser?
At this point, Ratchet realized he would have to go to Rilgar and find a trespasser.
Rilgar? Is that what he said, dude? How am I goofed this hard?
Let's pick a new planet.
Oh, the guy in the sewers, man. Well, he didn't say he was gonna give me that. He said you're a pretty good skateboarder or whatever the fuck he said. He didn't say nothing about, hey, if you come help me, I got this special item. You know, if you come down here and these... Hey you, if you come down here in these sewers, you know, I got this trespasser in there, you know? I got this device that I should break into really tight areas. Really tight areas, probably used as
The
exits.
heroes returned to Rilgar for the sole purpose of exploring the sewer system. What hidden treasures would they find inside?
Probably just shit. You know? I mean, it is a super. You're probably just gonna find shit. It's probably not even the dude there. Look at this! Look at this! Somebody look at this!
Here.
Oh, cute. These things are abominations. Chop suey! I'm gonna let the other one die. I'm gonna just leave him. Oh, come on. No! No! What? He didn't even get me! There is no way this thing bit me. No! What? Dude, they are so bad. Okay, they want me to kill it. That's all it is. They just want me to kill it. Fine. Get what you fucking wish for, you asshole. Alright. Now let's make this hole wet. Get on up in there. That was clear. There was no way. They're just forcing you to commit animal abuse. They don't like their own creation. Smack! Amoeboids! Oh man, how do I get out of here? Oh wow. I really gotta swim up here? That's so lame. Well, I mean, it's pretty cool actually. I wonder if game developers like design their games possible to do like speed runs. Like, how hard would it be to do a speed run on this one? And like, you actually run into that one fish that you have to smack apparently to get through. think that's something that would take a while. Alright, see you later, Bob. Oh, pee! Pee poop throw up tubes.
Sewer pumps activated.
Oh boy. I believe we should run now.
Oh no! Why would the sewer pumps get activated all of a sudden? What words did I just say? The Amiiboys can't get wet? That's hilarious. Considering that they were probably made within water. Get off of me! Help! Oh my gosh. Go, Ratchet, go!
I'm trying, pal.
Oh my god. This is happening too quickly! Ratchet! Oh my god, dude. I'm cutting it real close.
Of course, Ratchet knew he'd have to surface to breathe.
Breathe!
Sewer pumps activated.
Oh boy. I believe we should run now.
Alright, this time I'm not taking no for an answer. You're going to listen. Alright? You're not gonna tell me no. Alright? No! No!
Keep moving. I'm trying, pal.
Of course, Ratchet knew he'd have to surface to breathe.
I was about to say! I was finna say, boy, I was about to be like, what the heck? Oh, look at Clank. Got them hands ready.
This place looks like bad news. Better keep our eyes peeled, Clank.
Boy, matter of fact, hold up, wait a minute, let me put some Clank up in it.